everyone. I would like to introduce to you our group, group number 5. Okay, let's watch our presentation.
Hi, Ayana. I would like to see you. I miss you. How are you? I'm good. How about you? I'm fine. By the way, can we go to the shopping mall? Let me think. Yes, but first, can we watch Puppet Show? I love Puppet Show. Thank you, sis. But first, let's wait to our other friends. Come on.
Hey sis, let's go to the shopping mall. Let's buy washing.
Sa'yo po ba ito?
One day, they meet each other in a highlight place.
Faded memories, ink on the shell of my skin. Best friend forever, through thick and thin. 14 years ago, birth an age I remember called the winters of harsh December.
That the little Scots spin on a pavement in a Disney parking lot, icy and wet.
We braved the storm, like we always did together. You love me, I know I'll love you better. Oh, with a sweet smile, you brought me joy.
Best friend loves deeper than the love from a boy. Everything we did together, a team, a duo of on the main road. Into the night we go.
My hands on the wheel. Oh, I was scared. Driving on ice. I was mentally unprepared. Edgy shades of winter, soaked with tears.
Oh, crushing sound of metal, twisting fierce. Why was not the one that the god that night?
Eyes closed, your vacant eyes is my sight.
I rest I could go to your Vanuatu Rahab institution. Adults give me food.
It was too much to handle. 16 and sad, I'll be back. I promised, but I never had. I walk away, black out the pain. I'd cry in silence, along with the pouring rain. Memorized were nightmares, I closed the door.
I couldn't think about your smile anymore. I killed you. It was because of my dear. I hate myself forever. My ignorance, my grief.
I lay on my cancerous deathbed, my regrets filling my daily guilty head.
I'll be back.
Holding your hand in the ever after. In your precious lover. I'll be back with my best friend. I know I will.
All this time, I hope you love me still.
That is the ending of the story. It's all about I'll be back.